Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will talk about this little cursed coil. This is a gu39b VTTC with a tiny 20 centimeter secondary. Look at this. Very small, very compact. This is a experimental design. This is the first iteration of it. It's kinda tuned, I think. I think I can still get out a bit more of this. But yeah, let's talk about the components a bit. These are 8 mods under oil in 2S4P configuration. Yep, that's pretty nice power supply. Well, I will have to get something better eventually. But yeah. This is the doubler cap, made of, I don't know, 70 caps, I think. It's rated for 20 kV and 14 UF. These are my doubler diodes, a bit undersized to be honest, 3 amps and some MOFs across them, 3 amps and 1 kV each. Yeah, RF bypass of course. Here's the tube. This is for staccato use, but I'm not running staccato right now. Yeah, this is the tube. This is the original socket for it. I'm running it. I did the first tests and tryout mode, but this tube is way happier with a separate G2 supply. So I have a mod right here, a variac right here that feeds into this mod with a doubler and into a 60 watt lamp and into G2 of the tube. Then this is a 3300 picofarad cap. And that goes to ground. This is RF bypass. And yeah, there's pretty much not much to it. And before some people will ask for the schematic, I will not give out a schematic because first of all, I didn't even draw a schematic now. I just put it together. And secondly, if you have to ask for a schematic, then you should not build such a coil. It's that simple. I definitely gave much information now for people that have an idea about VTTCs. People that have an idea about VTTCs can recreate this coil. So yeah, let's run this nice coil. This is a 3-phase variac. Ignore this mess. I'm powering it from 2 16 amp breakers. This coil draws a lot of power, like over 10 kilovolt amps, because the mods are so shitty. But yeah, that's how it is. Also, quick note, don't turn up the variac too much, because the G2 variac, because the voltage, the maximum voltage for G2 is reached pretty quickly with the doubler on there. I think I only turned it up to like 25 or 50 volts, but yeah. Also keep in mind that you have to first turn up B plus and then turn up your G2 supply and then turn off G2 supply and then turn down B plus, because otherwise your G2 will act as an anode and that won't be good. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, well, one side note, as you guys can see, I have a lot of doubler caps on there. This was because I had an issue with driving the grid. I had a weird noise and it sounded like the G2 supply is dropping, so I put a lot of doubler caps on there and now it seems to be fixed, so yeah, that's good. Also, this is a radial blower blowing the tube from underneath. Yeah, that's it. So now I will show you guys the coil in action. So guys, this was pretty good, wasn't it? The primary is not that hot actually, and this, well, the secondary is slightly warmer, but it's still fine. Obviously this is a kinda stupid coil, but hey, I'm pretty happy with it. I definitely need a better power supply, but hey, That's pretty good already. 80 centimeters in constant wave is quite a bit. Oh, also wait, maybe I should prove it to you guys that it's 80 centimeters, so there won't be any concerns. So 80 centimeters right here, from top to bottom, it's 80 centimeters. So yeah, and here we have the secondary. Well, the secondary itself is 20 centimeters. With top load it's a bit bigger, but yeah, you get the point, guys. So yeah, this was a quick video about this project. I will definitely work further on this coil. I like it, and also in the future I will power up one of these big 1 megawatt magnetrons at full power. I already have some capacitors to make a PFN for it, so that will be great. So that's it with my video about this coil. I hope you guys liked it.